Hello viewers, welcome back. So my dear students, in this lesson we are going to learn what is kumo cloud, okay? What is cloud in our this system and what is the importance of this cloud. Okay, so let's start. My dear students, this is going to be very important component of this Ichimoku Kinko Hyo system. Okay, it is a complete system and this is going to be very important. It is a little bit complicated, but I have tried my best to explain it to you guys to make it as much as easy for you. Okay, so my dear students, basically Senko means forward, this term which we are going to use in this lesson. And here this kumo cloud has two parts. First of all, Senko span A, upper line in the cloud, okay. Senko span B, which is a lower line in the cloud, okay. It has two parts. Senko means forward, towards ahead, okay, in the future. Senko span A, upper line in the cloud, Senko span B, lower line in the cloud. Basically, kumo cloud is used for giving us range of support and resistance. Okay, this is very important component of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo system, and its interpretation is very simple. As the cloud will be above the market, above our candles chart, then it means that market is going to be bearish. But if it is going to be below the market, that means that market is going to be bullish. We will see each of its interpretation, each of its details in full depth analysis in this lesson. Okay. So my dear students, now we will see what is Senko span A. Okay. Now I have given such type of colors in my this system. Okay, these colors, and we can choose to our as own wish whatever we want in our MT4. Okay, so this upper line is Senko span A, this one, this is Senko span A, and this line is Senko span B. Okay, I have given yellow color to Senko span A and purple color to Senko span B. Okay, so Senko span A is the upper line in the cloud. Now question is that how it is calculated, how we are going to get its value. Okay, basically it is counted by taking our Tenkan-sen and Keijen-sen, okay, and then divided by 2 by the average of Tenkan-sen, Keijen-sen, okay, then it is calculated and then it is plotted 26 periods ahead. Okay, remember that we will take value of today. For example, if we are in the daily candle, then we will take value of Tenkan-sen and Keijen-sen, okay, and then we will plot ahead for the 26 periods, okay, and for the next 26 periods it is going to help us to predict our support, resistance, or whatever we want from it. Okay, so Senko span A means upper line in the cloud. It is counted by Tenkan-sen and Keijen-sen, then divided by 2, okay, and it is plotted 26 periods ahead in our MT4. Okay, like I will show you here on my MT4. So first of all, here I will apply Ichimoku Kinko Hyo system. Okay, and after applying that, here we can choose our as per desired color and then we will press OK. So my dear students, here we can see this kumo cloud, okay, and here is the full Ichimoku Kinko Hyo system. It looks so complicated as we have applied it to the chart, but it is going to be very easy. Okay, I have tried my best to explain it to you guys because I have divided it into few components and each of component is explained with full details. Now this upper line is Senko span A, Okay, as we can see here also, and this lower line is Senko span B. Okay, so how Senko span A is calculated? It is calculated by taking this period. Okay, now it could be H1, H4 or daily. By taking this period, Tenkan Sen and Keijen Sen, okay, average, just to add them, plus them, and then divided by 2, and now it is plotted 26 period ahead from here. Okay, so in the future it is plotted ahead, and in the future it is going to help us in the support and resistance, okay, and for other interpretations also. So my dear students, now we will see what is Senku span B. So my dear students, Senku span B is the lower line in our this Ichimoku Kinko Hyo system. Okay, so it is lower line in the cloud, and now we will see how it is calculated. It is calculated by taking the highest point and lowest point of past 52 periods. Okay, and then divided it by the 2. As we have seen this system is going to work on the range basis by taking the high, like for example here, and by taking the low, for example here. So this is going to help us to tell us range of the market also, and it is going to work by calculating range of the market. So Senko span B is calculated by taking the highest and lowest points of past 52 periods, and then it is plotted 26 periods ahead. Okay, now both of these, Senko span A and Senko span B, are plotted 26 periods ahead. Okay, now we will see it on our MT4 also. So my dear students, now this lower line is our Senko span B, this purple line in my this system. For example, now I am using H1 period time frame. If it is daily, then we will see past 52 daily candles. If it is H1, so then we will see past 52 H1 candles. Like for example, we want to see these past 52 periods. Okay, so for example, this is the highest point, and if we say this is the lowest point, okay, so we will see this highest point and then this lowest point, and then we will calculate their average. Okay, and then this average is going to be plotted here. Okay, and it is plotted here 26 periods ahead. Okay, in Senku span A, we have seen that is taken from the average of Tenkan Sen and Keijen Sen and plotted 26 periods ahead. Now it is calculated by taking the highest point and lowest point of past 52 periods. Okay, and then it is plotted 26 periods ahead. So this is the explanation that how Senku span A and Senku span B are calculated. Okay, now we will see step by step their interpretations. Okay, this is very important component of this system. Okay, and now we are going to see each of its interpretations with full details.